Hi guys, it's me Parishka from Parishka's Fairy World, and today we are going to be I'm going to be showing you guys the sounds of this cat which I did the unboxing in my last video, and have used this cat in some of my POVs. So yeah, we are going to be testing out the sound now. Here's the on button. I turned it on, and then one, next this one, then so it's the same thing on repeat again. No, from yeah, and then here in the back of the head, when we rub it, it makes prrr sound. Can you hear it? And then here as well. Like if you press the head, it makes sound as well, I think. Yeah, like that. I'm not touching anything. Like when you're doing that something, I'm not touching the paw at all. It's making using this. So guys, that's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. And guys, I'm not sure if I'm going to be making any long videos anytime soon, but if I will, I'll be giving you guys I'll give you guys a quick update on what I'm going to be doing, because I don't have any ideas at all. But for the shorts, I keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, so when I get some ideas, I can just do them. But for these long videos, I need to take some time, so I am going to be doing long videos as well, but I'm not sure when and what. But shorts, maybe daily, minimum I'll be doing at least 2. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Bye. Like, share and subscribe.